come follow her go Nigeria. No. Now when they come and show to support her, that's the only time she they see these women, and she agrees, say, Europe women, no, they say most of them. So the ones who are not going to bele money for you, because I understand, say, not be everybody rich for Europe. Likewise, not be everybody see poor for Europe. Okay, you want, I don't understand how you take the see person where rich and the type of dressing where you define. No. Because culture now, me, the jacket where me even they wear, oversized. You cannot see me, especially when I go out. You not see me wear jacket of my size, only big one, oversized. You go low cover my hands. Una they get me. You go look, okay. For example, waiting on the make person like, see jacket when I wear, and I don't know. You see it? This one a big jacket, very big. You see them? Big jackets. Because why cold there? You know, like Nigeria, where you go buy leggings, how much your leggings? Yes, 4,000. You wear leggings, put one polo for a burger for there, have a pan. You don't live all those life. Really, when I did Nigeria, they read the gear. When I come Europe, it took me more than a year to they used to Europe clothes. I can't know say no be by shiny they tell they no quality. No be by say clothes they shine they do pan. No be quality quality no they shine. It took me a year to they used to Europe. I dey buy clothes that time from Nigeria they come. If I wear that cloth past you for road, I go different for full streets. I go different. You come like one man standing. If na red polo, the red will be reddish. If na blue, oh, it go as in the blue will be bluing. If I ever pass you, hey, abananya. Even if it costs, even if it dey expensive, if I pass you, abananya. Now your mind go fetch see, bananya na wawe mujo. Because now Europe life we don't need waiting they shine. You also Oyibo for year now. Oyibo if you wear one shoe, that shoe if you see shoe, I beg it, all those 50 years, in short, wait till 50 years. All those shoes, where don't they go 150 years, I mean 300, 600 years ago, where the shoe come outside. Come, Oyibo go get them for store. They go even write and say, this shoe, thanks for joining Saga no good. They will tell you, say, this shoe, they make them so years ago, where you say they never even get, your grandfather never even come life. You go see the shoe like this, and shoe go be like a carpenter with a hammer. You go come, which kind Baba Sule be this? But top barriers and near me you see price where they put. You go see say the price, it go reach you they even buy land, they do foundation. But if person go buy that shoe and pass you, you go tell the person say, hey, Salobua wana imu you know demaguana when me bata no be view way. But that shoe can buy you Lexus. You don't know. Esther is fond of doing these things. I know the saga how, but she's fond of doing this thing. She don't even like Europe people. Every time if Esther they talk matter, she they get back up where they there. Her sister when I hear her voice just now where they talk say, "Come I know ya there. When you are there, the audio rebe kenuna time. We are there niya. When you know where voice in it. Are there no do bere kenotuna time? What do you not have to say about it? Do you know what it takes for somebody to say most of them, Europe women, most of them? Do you know what did that one mean? Is that no insult to Europe women? Well, why you got them boba? Why the swearing? Why you got them boba? Even person your most where they talk, where they zwar, that one why use you get attention. And not let them bring you. If una they read, they communicate with your muzzle, tell them to drop your matter. You know they fight. Nobody they fight you. You know they fight anybody. May not they use you chase cloud, because if not, it will cause problem for your head. If not be way, see go bring this matter come. Me now for not still call remember the word now say see how you talk something like this, will call the plot this one. At the end that will come father say you swear shop. Who will give their body head and see as the matter take. See Anna, you had to be my plan again for people where just they come. It's a jacket where they use throughout my 9 months pregnancy. I go see they wear after delivery. Imagine how big it is. Normally my size now small. Yes now. You know, but Ezekiel and her sister, una they get me. This one not be say, guys, this one not be say to do problem or I want find trouble. No. Oh yeah, that they talk yours now, they go for us. I say, she not talk like that, she not talk like that. Office, oh, I want to get bow. Even she herself say she don't find the video. She don't see. I can provide 3 to 4 video where Esther they throw word to people for Europe. Yes, I can provide 3 to 4 videos where Esther they throw mat for people for Europe. Sometimes if she don't talk the thing finish, she go quick try to correct her. Now they get me. She go quick try to correct her. Don't be say we hate Esther. You get it get as it be as me your day yes so now. I will come say begiani ni wale Nigeria ni e gbagbo ma de okiyan. Iyan wa meme. Awa meme oki buseba. It's nonsense. It don't make sense. Now they get me. Or I'll go say manuwa bebe Nigeria ni yan pade de go address it. It don't make any sense. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Now not like you go tell you say this is what you do. May I play again, Sha? May I play again, my people? When I most of for where she dey swear. Imeki no manije imeni ni wo mani no mage ya lekwe o mage ya lekwe salogwa o mage ya lekwe la no re yin ni o mage ya lekwe me o mage ya lekwe Esther one statement now we mo bo wata uwu ma nu yan yan ma lekwe we yan ma lekwe ra eruwe be se we lekwo ma we lekwo ma we lekwe ro ma we lekwi jo ma we ya go ma o eruwe be se because if this same thing where you they talk now, omagu where ya lehwe, omagu this one I'm waiting you supposed to fair reason before you come outside. Can't they talk about copyright? Where gwalema no lehuwe but when your team mistakenly of music where person they promote you that time carry copyright enter person page for you to okay Rudon Saloba or Rudi Jeve or Rudi Shell or Rude respecting him any shell or Rude ni waya de where no way support him any TA ni kama we out tell copyright. Did you do that? No. Una la janya ni mosewa o nemo seveko. Inya ni la janya ni mosewa o nemo seveko. The same thing you are finding yourself right now. Let's tell ourselves the truth. You not the third person I said, me person can't look your eye. Look how you say me take work like how? Well, the last time I checked, don't ask for what you don't give, okay? Only ask for what you know say you they give. When the backup singer ni ekenunata we no the area. I hope you will come listen now to the one where me they play so. I hope you will come and listen. Okay? Because when you know guani, when mother de la cotton wena, that is the truth. When you know guani vototo wani, when man la cotton wena. When you know your sister career, when you know what your sister do for a living, ebe vena na assume. Oga imenu itamoteme we ewesinya o we jevedi yo. We adonu pa we background iru oboru owe. Iwe ru oboru owe esa na paze we gbu wa ni me ma nge wa me o ma be nene family na no boso. Apart from she and your though the rest do that particular one and when you know what a background voice in Obama su we ni extra package we here where be dey gbu wele where be ti dey gbu wele ojo ma won awo kan be won awo kan ma won ojo be won akewe no wan we be hi we wa uzu wa we no ma ni ate muri omo no ma say 6 months abi Mary atai omo na biye like 3 months eru bi awa we ya do ogwe o we na gele la kotu we not we na agbalama upu we no we ne mata na ya sunu since don't tag gbon we he we ni ne backup singer ni we on go of your twin or the we bo gele no sunu ama what di no twin gele no sunu was the we na la dian we live video we if do wa gele no sunu o wala o understand you can package it or to manage or to we affirm we ma ni la jando apologize anybody we ma say we no we ne back up in no gbani hani we meti la je we wala o rude wala wo or tell me why we man, what tell me where we why agree, walao, why my mera, why agree. Where my son no tie, agua water, where you know, one again. Imagine the artsy away. When I make boo there, we may miss a god there. When we were with a star, what live video, I can't wait no year and I hear the man who do view the live video, the idea of Modiono in a lagode. Who do I go? Oh, here then I will tell you when you're away. Eh, the Gualeke lazy. A story well, we tell with my mom. Eh, when a piano rock. Whatever my story way. Modiono yeba lagode. We mo. Eh, la wa. Do aswa sta, do aswa ye mi dan. E ke no na ta we no de we do get o we push out to na 20 body e. Visia we o to we na 20 bona mu gbiri e. Ona mu gbuwe ku we no we no tioni. Ona we mu gbuwe mu gbemi ya no me. At the end they no 20 about 20. Are you crazy? One is one me gbuwe no ro. Me we only me so gbuwe. As a fed senior sister no my negbe. We only me so gbuwe. Come ya mote no jombe no jebe na bata. E koboko boya ya bolu egbo. Ebe because we na we na giyeke. Okay, even no too we do o ma gbo that we come on 20 where o tene o la wo ti ebo la wo ti ebo ga kaba ya gwa le the video ga ye gwa lo here. That only we wa ta with the video where would anybody ti ebo anybody ti ebo ya ma se o miau. Eh? Very any as no se yo omojo na no ye wa lagbode. Omojo no pa fian e nap. Eh? We met it out tell me gwa gwa e de ti ebo unya ma se no ti ebo na wa de ba no ti ebo e di ti ebo. Tell not if na me. Tell not see la video do no do nya ma se na ya di any ade one ya do no way. You cannot even say that. Eh when you dey in video when you dey in video wax to otun ye wo wa ga mo ebogbe mi no vio hia upe woko egbu we ni ba lo awon wo ni billionaire no ni family be le gbe we ba lo ye ni egbe we ma ba lo yigo obono vie kia na vigo every time must me voice a video must me voice to it. Oh when am ye wa we start close the sege 5 and 6 wa here usu say le let's start be just try to sometimes boundaries. Give her that boundary. Because Esther is a many at here. And we're not popular, no. Yes. Esther is a popular somebody. When I'm not do at my no pano fast. Godmother, godfather. Upu your tareni or make where mana ya kwingo. No ya kwingo. Unu wo bobo we ya kwingo. Why is no that way? Yeah? Or God got you de la video to tasikowa. I think she was married that day. Eta dig when you're that funny. No do me go yo. Wama bege ya la video. Eta dig when you're that funny. No do me go yo. Eh? When we why you be gba say yen ge me bi or me 6 months with you. When we ya behave I get what you here normal, but it's okay. By now you be who we are say so marry ni. Or to hand anything zo wa swatwin. Wa swai even if you're wrong or you're right, tamai ba ye me usi ai. In ma say do we do orai mo we. Even not in me ateta mo hata. Yes. Because when many you don't have anything to lose. Many are there. They no lose. Anything to lose. Do when you fian for no problem. After all, then when came more cupboard. Frank is using Esther to make views. Yes, now because he knows say Esther matter they brief you. Yes, now. About we Esther, they can best look this whole media. We are there for the saga Esther for this full media. They can best ne Frank in I by the way come and this Frank I am no where. Metamu when any atama wetama when we na. You no get any saga where you won't do again when you take where you fit testimony builders. Facebook will pay radio. Where agba mesa won't beside waking your money. La wogo, or tiestani lao. Because when we gwalene na madi enu enu be nwe no jie be egbe boss ya no friend be ya vie ya ladian do mate ya ye Facebook kene no do no nwa ma egbu we me no jie adomo we no see no we na tanse gbo e ana miege ukpo we like pocket we ma la everybody go know everything when I ya bio we ya yin ya usa no ezebe life we na yin ya I dey tell you ya total ye funpa or to have any issue, you can come out and say, why you wear your Okpa Mayahin, if you do Egbe Balesta, Egbe do Abaluwe. Whenever me go, at least, Esa me go, Egbe Balerish woman. When Obama saw Egbe Abaluwe. Ema no we yo bonu we, na gbove ma we. E we do ye, do ma enanwe. Do you know the power of Europe people? Do you know the power of Europe women? Don't you know that Europe or the goal you don't know? You don't know. Wahaita iyani rewe boni eturu miyaje iyani rewe boni enwaru miyaje iho no ma pe wa. When no women are jenana. This is a 4-room and parlor house. A month is 750 euro. We converted to naira. It's 1.something million a month. Just 1 month. Ni me pay. Now calculate it. A month, 1.something a month times 12. When you go to go me pay 1 year. Also had you to Boa. The public, in short, the city. Eliya wala kin wa ye Boa ya we competition with the Euro people. So I want to say imoto ni fi wanirewebo wa ne moto wa ne moto are we going oh salobuwa ya we gie wa we gie the reason why we run the very and I understand. And Euro people they send Esther for Nigeria, nobody send her. Me I tell you for these people since when Esther see they come Europe things change. And life change. Unu kono ya mi wa Nigeria o ma bo wa no. O ma say 4 years in na no so aje to abi 4 years in na no so aje to je ya mama. Wa bego wa no bo wa bego mi ya change ona ko kemiti emi o le ye we bo bu se we. Ibi we bo ma be do we go via emiti. But o se ke na na tie boni we bo wa la tie why you boni owo a. You be boy you mama Jasifia e te gbe be gwe me. No, because you know, say where and I know they to blame Euro people because if you don't take for this European, you are going to get soft hearts. Yes, and these people they always like to play with our emotions. If you don't take for before me come Europe, if I see person where they hungry, me go they look and because me myself I they hungry. That time when I in Nigeria, if I see person, if you like they cry, if you like they roll for ground. If I see person where they hungry, me self I go they look at. Will they look ourselves and hungry? Will they beat us? But since when I come Europe, I don't feel see person where we say if they hungry, like you're the hungry, especially when that person in Nigeria. I know people they call me for years ago. You call me video call Nigeria. If I pick and you show me picking the hospital. I know you people should stop. Now so I go come be now, mama, my lady. Now so I go come be because I let me go. Because if they continue to bully Euro people like this, time will come, everybody go there their because now we even they use that and they watch their movie for YouTube, their music on YouTube. We they do our best to show these people love. So okay, now we but the way they take they do us, I don't understand. Esther Yossi do finish now. She can't swear, say she not do. Time when she can't take they swear that swear. She for say wala oh, this time no matter why we. But what are you trying to prove? In the process of proving a point now, you see, who verse put get every right or verse put because it no make sense. Mona, listen, guys. Because of this, thanks for joining Mama Gloria.
the TikTok live.
My lady say waiting the young. Nah, no, we are talking about Esther. Yeah, it's not like we the insult her. No, the video where she do. No, I'm not say she do one video recently. Now most of even the kind of thing they trend and they go. Where she they swear say now so they talk say Europe women not they dress say she not talk anything like that. Esther not get respect for people. You see, now they get me. She said she not talk like that. But meanwhile, she talk and Europe Union now go come even hear the thing where yes, Europe Union need to hear the thing where she talk the thing. She can't swear. People say she not talk. So now we they play the two video. Make she herself listen to herself. Make she listen to herself because we know if they take all these things from them every time. No, you get the way they will disrespect. See, they will start to give that to police. So I know what they talk. Europe women say Europe women see they feel they carry their husband give police. Talk less of person where be say they're not sent. Talk less of person where be say they're not sent. By the time petition start now, they'll say, yeah, my but they will not see all this coming. Since I've been online, me never throw mat. You know, guys, someone crazy rich. I can't say all those people where you see for Nigeria, so all those people where they Nigeria, so all those people where you're Nigeria, so all those people. I know they talk. I know they talk.
Social media talon, eri meu, eri owe meu, eri no pere owe meu Italian. Iware Europe talk. Ina iwa mu Italian. Again, so man of the now. What you enjoy. When anything when you people like let's see. Yes. When they dress up, addition, all work. From January to December.
But she, Mona, they see how manipulative these people think say they be. She now they advise Europe women say they know the rest. They'll just walk. They know the rest. They know the shop money. They know abego. She the rest. She me never see her one day say she the rest. The only time you feel see her sit down for her say she the rest. Oh, where's saga? You know say na saga they do. She the rest. From party, from show to this one. From this one to this one, from that one to launching, from launching to this one, from this one to mechanic. She the rest. No, she not the rest. Me never see her one day say go days ask me put on your born your war. I wait 3 days in your work baby hotel na. Ye pa e one the bed dress in your work kore ye dori emi. I never see her do like that too. Is the word they always use for Europe women so that we come pack money give them. Who tell una say we know the rest? Who tell una say we know the rest? Yeah? You people should start spending your money on vacation, not to go wash. Yes, so me, I don't feel go. I feel they go a party, but no. Or for thank you.
Yes, so it's from work to house. People don't know how. From work to house, from work to away. Why they are Lazian? Of where on a carrier webo, who carry the bellas, who were a bed day, who were not by Italian boombe. But give Mariani TikTok life. Many water and I return any say.
Well, they listen.
Only a feeling anyway, where Esther where Nanny they will go dress. In Gagan and Yaten.
Okay.
Oh, Sanu Dazi, what you told what you can. What you only man you all like me. In a nigga, Yaten anywhere, they will go dress. Oh, Salo Buano, you have no cake. Then you nigga, Yaten, any oh, Sanu Dazi, no, she made your one, no swim matana. Oh, you got no cake no money. I want to know what.
Una hear the swear where she swear say if she don't ever talk say people for Europe, anybody for Europe at all say if they not sabi dress now she swear put so whether she talk and be she not talk and listen.
A grace of what's about the dog man, all my person change
okay.
That's the remember boy. So when you live an eye in Yera, in shape, oh, Yaki will go, I'm not going to go no and now. Where Esther where man never will go that way. See our bang okay. And Emani Bang Ogena, the old one near near way, oh, we are about a Nemo Gagaya. Nemo Gagaya. And Morgan Gagaya, he and you war. Oh, yeah, I'm with Bobia, no, I'm with Bobia. Nehaya, some of the son of war. Since you were a Sonia, here won't remember. Since Naya near we are drinking near do a day. Here my own near your boy and let your son a cure and remember ye can ya. Young Baguna and Webo, near Baker, no sense, ya. Who's the money I can marry and get the money you we are. Eh, Mosso, I did choose it for myself. And no Salobaka, oh, there. In my name, the Napoleon Bieruda, no Saka, oh, there. What's the lady of Sambia, what is working now? Was Senia, a walao. I don't make a Jimmy. In Mamma get the yacht and any. He said in the ten.
Wawa. Or we a mamma getting a yacht and many. Ye set you with many. Like, una de ye, I beg, una de ye benin a be. Man, no, hey, man, no come go to speak benin because some people feel they always say now only English that they hear. Una hear what she talk. She say she not talk that word. I not get any time where she go fit. Take talk that word. Say some people. Or majority of women for abroad not sabi dress. She says she not get time where she take talk. Listen.
Europe is very big. You that wrote that thing. Buy tickets if you know the Europe. Buy tickets. Call Europe. Come dance for street. Okay, now because say I never wear pants. The person is not normal at all. Some of them here to see you happy. Exactly, oh my baby. You see, now summer for abroad, now summer with this so.
Okay.
You can say buy your ticket, come to abroad, come and enjoy.
Yeah.
If you are in abroad, my dear, enjoy yourself.
Yo.
That's why they quarrel with some people for abroad. You they abroad. You know the best. You know they look fine. You know they buy clothes. You know they work money. Now you do.
Una hear wetin she talk for here. She said now so she dey tell some people for abroad say you dey work, you know they dress, you know they you understand, you know they do anything. Wanna listen, you know they enjoy, they know they enjoy. Wanna listen further.
The money is some of the money. You want to acquire the own world. I'm asking you. You want to build million house. How many years you want to see?
Okay.
Who you dey build them for?
Okay.
You know if you just look sexy, you know you look good. Most of them they live in this abroad here. When they dress up, they look somehow. And they have
Una hear that place. Most of them wey live in this abroad. When they dress, they look somehow. So wetin she come dey swear put say she never ever talk say people for Europe no sabi dress. Away dey boy, away dey father. I be my people, or maybe me. So somebody should drop the comment. Did she just say people for Europe no sabi dress? Or na me come talk the thing now? Or not be waiting she talk? Because I know, like, I don't get myself, like, I don't, wait, let me take it back again, a little. May we see.
Okay.
who you dey build am for?
Okay.
You no fit just look sexy, make you look good. Most of them they live in this abroad here. When they dress up, they look somehow and they have money.
Yeah.
Una dey hear? She said most of them live in this abroad. Abi? He says, see the book. Yes, now. Una see now, my people. Is it clear to you guys now? Most of them already, don't forget, she was talking to Europe women. Yes, now he said the evidence go put her for part because una get, she was talking to Europe women. Say they know the dress. From there, she can't enter. Say she gets some of them where she they advise. Say dress well, look good. Balo, pack all your money, come spread them for show. Now they get me. Now she can proceed to say, most of them. What are you telling me? Say This one a person wey dey swear say she never talk say Europe women not sabi dress. Thanks for joining my lady Monica Obolo. Thanks for joining. Una dey get me. This one a person wey dey talk say she dey even dey swear say make everybody come dey join her dey swear say she never ever one day talk say Europe women not sabi dress. She say only wetin she talk be say make dem dress, make dem come enjoy. Make dem come enjoy. Say na only work they work. They no dey rest. Say she never even one day talk say they no sabi dress. I bet wetin she talk for here just now. She said majority of them where they dress, they look somehow. Do you know the type of insult that is? Most of them, when they dress, they look somehow. You know, if you say two of our friends, when they dress, they look somehow. Or maybe she say, yes, it's supposed to be her friends. But as far as she's not talking to her friends, she's talking to Europe women. This was the reason why a lot of women were angry on TikTok. Before this matter come Facebook, my people, this matter be not even come Facebook. This matter was on TikTok. This matter trend where? Yes, now she said most of them. So who were she referring to? Who are the most of them? I can be among. Anybody can be among. Because she said most, which is out of 100%. 80% no sabi dress. I know say like this small boy now where they illiterate on a magic school. On this one where they not go school, so she don't know anything. She not feel understand word. You understand me? And people not only play this video because they just hold this video say, hey, yes, he don't thought to say Europe women not sabi dress. So no, she have been doing this countless time. Yes. If you go and show you go spray her money, she will find one thing talk. She will find one thing talk. Now matter bring matter come, my people. This particular issue will spread like wildfire. So now matter bring matter come. And you see me the matter now. She was also bullying innocent man where he go spray her money for party. She said she don't go back. Say to say she don't go back. The man be one biter. Europe men. Now I tell you that one sing. He follow this man for UK quarrel. He look the man from head to toe. She don't know what she want to. She said the day where that one come her show, where that one, where she do show, where that one come her show, come spray her money. She said, I saw that one come they smell. Now I carry lost everybody or give that one. Person where come your show, come spray you. Or another person get where come your show, come spray you. You say you wrong, go back, may not bite you. Then the same show where you come do it, say make people come. You say make they dress well, because most of them where they dress, they look somehow. So what are we saying? Before people decided to use this video to tell you that enough is enough, they have their reason. Before people use this video, that word where Esther talk is the day she meets her Waterloo. Because it's too much. How will she not be that type of person where they like to bully people, they look down on people? Nobody for ever send this video. They will say, a mistake, but this person keep on saying these things. Even the time when she take go house, where she dey thank people for Europe, you need to see something word where she call the talk. Eyan irewe boni, eto bobe sinya everi o. Eto bobe sinya everi oni we amiyan. E manage yan veje. She always look down. E manage yan veje. Why hakin yan veri o? She always like to talk down on Europe people. I don't know why. I don't know they follow her own race. She always do that. You don't do show. People don't pack money, come spray you. You reach out, you won't thank them. Are you supposed to be saying, when you're the boy, why we get your video? I get baby, you understand? You understand? No, always. Like, why me never want to come as all those musicians where you see for Beniso? They know what Beniana. Why me know they talk all those words? Why other people know they address una like that? Why other people know they address una like that? Okay, now you get right to talk down on people. and you don't want them to react. Now you get your mouth to take talk, but I always say these people, now you need them, they don't need you. Now you need them. Them don't need you. The show where your pikin do, I saw the show. After I don't do the show, they no spray am. Nobody spray am. If you say I dey like, go post the video. I know how many musicians don't come Italy since where all this old matter don't they train my people. Nobody even come out for house. Nobody spray them. They not fit tell you what they see. But if you ask them, me I know. They not spread them. Nobody come. Nobody. So if you come, oh empty, free share, pokwa Sarah, nobody come. A ticket amount here, nothing. Show promoters now, say where they bring musicians, they come Italy now. Then they lose because Ado Agwadi go ne niya ya la moto. Igo niya ya de fue. Igo niya ya we no pa. Ado Agwale bezma. Una no say for una no as Europe be now. Europe might all those Canada, all those things, you understand? All those America, all those ones. Europe, they be like twins. All of them what do meet as you all they see them so. Italy, Germany, France, what do they call them? They'll just gather, they'll just do meeting. You even to say, they'll just do meeting. You can show me call. You call the man say, say they be say these people they spray. The last time when people spray reach for Europe, now even the time where she take on. Nobody saying there again. Yes, now it's too much now. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. That UK now where they go now, you know, say only that UK now, now they see they get something small. How about it? What Budeza in Odonia? All this stuff. So rest in peace. No, they get me. How about no, they if about see say any of them they come. How about go start to they drag them. How about also get fan base? Me get fan base. You get fan base. You where they look me so. You get sister. You get brother. You get friends around. Most of us now Europe we dey. Then they call like okay, if me 33 people why I know say no go. Kurita tell like 30 people where she know say no go. The other one thought say no go. The other one thought say no go. The other only one get dieva. That's what we are saying. I wish you have your family member there. Eh? Okay. He say, man, see this comment. He say, Esther no refer to abroad women. She talk to no abroad women. She talk to. I mean, she talk. Okay, she talk to all diaspora in general. Now everybody she insult with that word. Thank you, my person Coco. I don't know say you would listen. You understand? She talk and finish now. She goes to a put say she not talk. She say me everybody if they join her they swear put. Now all the women now everybody she swear for. All the diaspora women. Yeah? Anywhere you dey or Tokyo or anywhere all the whole world or California anywhere you dey oh. Waiting we can't do you rich like that because they will not the wear shiny. $1, do you know how much it be for naira? Person go hold like $50 pieces for hand, come spray una excuse face. Now not feel the person they take sing. Do you know how much it is for naira? Now so we take they do for year. We they calculate money oh. If you don't know me, you know. We they calculate money for year. If person your 50 euro now you go use app check how much it go be for Nigeria. And that's what we take they do. Before person they call you should already budget and say now €100 now $100 now one spray and that $100 you know how much it be for a country where for they come. Imagine person where they pay 1,000 to a month. He give you $100 based on you be a dose sister. Maju boy go mama rune or day ticket. He dress do hair do everything. You sit to say yeah we are 1 million. So why will you say that? Why will you, me now say that I call it. If not because we don't even the saga before I can't even insult this sister. Before I know they insult her. No matter how she look, I know they insult her. Wait till I insult because that's so my own be. Why you go come and generalize everybody? You saw the finish now. You call the source, say you know you saw them. Why you the time when you take the claim, say you know you saw them, say they why you know use that to apologize? You say you find the video, you not see them. You think say social media they forget something. For you to talk say you not see the video, that make people go along and come out. Any yare social media, I thought say I see 4 of your videos where they bring down Euro people. 4. The last way 24 will carry come. Pity I
Cell battery, please charge.
my this thing want to the pity. Then nobody go the show. So add the show. Oh no, they get me. That is becoming so annoying. At your bokpa name my people do. One and not look person where don't make money where they say even if she decide to drop microphone now. Oh, I may say it when I say you go can't go look that person now, come because of that person. Spoil your opportunity to get close to Euro people. Now only few people now know say they know they do that thing, which I will not call in. And as I they talk now, I'm not the talk saying that all musicians they know the one way with your cash right down there, which is Esther. Now we all see the torso. Say Euro people not sabi dress. I will still blog this video because I know say if I blog I go far past. As I play for live, I'm also going to blog it. She go see her, make the old see her. Who go on live? Say the one use and take the spoil her name. The one use and take the spoil her head. Who you call offend? With the drag one bola, we did the same house. I'm the right bear. Anyway, we are mama. It was say we don't want to make you good that time. The time when they call, we for not spray you. Most of these people you they fight today, you don't shop their money. But your team not there with us. Me, I'm not the only one thing. But you don't shop my money. Yes, I don't call your show. When you come Italy, I don't call your show. I use my hard-earned money to spray you. I spray you that day with almost $250. Yes, this is what they talk. So not be even that time. I spray you 250, more than say, what be $250? I can't even see buy share. We did VIP share. Now we buy. We be 4. They can't give only one wine, not give us. Even that wine, if I want to drink, only that wine, no go even show let me drink. All those red wine, now why did they drink for those kind of party? What do you? Today we start to see Bluetooth to look. Yeah, please charge. What they charge me? Now they get me so my people. These people we don't support, especially with me. I don't support you. People where they fight, they don't support you. They like iyani o, e matter now you they do what they make people they talk to you. Now you this one what you do now. Now Omozuo where be your speaker. I know say now do marriage or Omozuo. Why we go to borrow and no ya marry ye kevi or my asania. Because we don't hear everything, finish all the audio, everything, we don't hear everything. As almost when I take Omozuo, I say I don't know whether I get man. Now Omozo na una getma. As una take as getma whenever yari okwo the getma wa. Wa ya ha ma ene drag wa. This is not time for this. Social media people are not smiling. People are not smiling. As a lot of people now they vex with musicians from Benin. You people should not let Omozo trigger it and increase it. Because if people now come they talk about what you do now. Imagine say this one they talk, and the thing they spread, they go. How much I go take quench? How much I go take lie low? How people go take rest for this matter? Now, someone they first talk at that time. A lot of people don't even hear the video. Even you where you talk the thing, you say you don't talk and you don't find the video, you don't see. You find the video, you don't see. Okay, I can play it for you. Now you don't finally see. Since you first find out, you don't see. You can see whether this thing go loud.
You know the best. You know they look fine. You know they buy clothes. You know they work money. Now you they work the money. Now you they suffer for the money. You want to acquire your word. I'm asking you. You want build million house. How many house you want to see?
Okay.
What you they build that for?
Okay.
You know if you just look sexy, when you look good. Most of them they live in this abroad here. When they dress up, they look somehow and they have money.
Una dey hear? Most of them they live in this abroad. When they dress, they look somehow, and they have money. So what are we saying? The same, not be, I been talk this one, so then you can't go still go, they swear, say, you not talk anything like that. You never one day talk, say Europe people not sabi dress. But you say most of them, which is the Europe women. Which is the Europe women. So what are we saying? Who they lie on top of who? And who they carry, they drag who? Who know what make who progress? Allah jadu amwe bogbegbe is you. This matter now where you tell the find trend now where you carry come at now. Come tell the find trend. I know you. The way you come tell the find trend so. Europe women don't dislike una wewe. Don't come and trigger it. Don't come and trigger it. Okay? Now let do for na do for na do for na they do for no they do for person. Una no they do for person. Why the we boy figure the ren why you ku why we or wana video we boy show me love of $1 me or one mu me we ku iwe mi oyigo why quick why no money o. The problem Esther get be say she talk too much. Thanks for joining Joel Sass. Una they get me. Esther, I might hate you, eh? But I'm telling you that you did a big mistake for swearing, knowing fully whether what you do. Now one eye now they will tell they look you and iyore ki an orion ba orienwo orian gbon orienimi aka Midnight Baba. At the same eye they will tell they look now because that one also do something. The next day she come and she come they swear say she not doing it on have your way on amudia you work born at here but when she know fully well say that way she they swear put nothing like that happen. You swear now swear you say make your word they join you they swear say you never ever one day thought say Europe women not sabi dress. Now you now they talk and I say most of them when you talk too much you go forget wetin you talk. Yes, now thanks for joining. Thank you, my lady. Good evening. Now so it be. Esther might where maybe drop a video now, or maybe I just say maybe they fight. No, you never see the saga me now. You never the you know now. You never the saga me. You understand? You know the saga my person now. About where maybe I want come and say oh Esther is saga real because definitely if we your sister saga now when the video now you what the 100 where do apologize is by 50. If yeah, but once they are disappointed, they are disappointed. Yes. Now that they live like white people. Okay? I'm not to blame. My person, I'm not to blame all these musicians. So I blame the people when they go the useless show. And I be say people will go they support our bats many. Wala go yejo. My daddy see they go wala wo park obesi they go show wala oh no say we dey miss am because the park they very appreciative. They very appreciative but I will not do I know they do video. I know they do advert guys. I know they do advert for them. Maybe if I want to see promote and use another video. Now Juju most of them they used to collect money from Europe. I mean your time because me no understand. The way they go, they do us paka. Like say we shit, we no clean ash. Like say we. I know say we must not be rich, but we get self-respect, we get dignity. Forget the way our people address us, or our people they see us. Yes, if we say we reason the way people they hear about Nigeria people. You understand the way we they hear about them for you say maybe they act like that. We know if we even see the go your tears. It will be like so not be that country we come from. But we they welcome them with all hands, even if say you bleach, you not bleach, you red, you know that they come welcome them. You will see people for here, but they cook for them. Mature woman for here, but they cook for kitchen, but the young with bushmeat and here go they cook. Welcome they entertain them. Not because of say the woman they do it because of say she know that she never see musician before. No. Which day this man come, this musician come Europe, is your Mali? Many musicians they come Italy. Make by all those English music. Make by your worry. I'm not sure to have. If it too sweet me, I'll just look at maybe for people. Some of my friends will go there on their live video. I'll just watch as they play. Make by worry. I'll don't talk about bed. They throw my popcorn. But if you say your person, we know they come on and show say because say I'm a me what there. Or you get what you know, why we are the show, we won't come embrace, or we won't come snap. Oh, no. That love of, now we for the come, they for still they come, oh. Now we now our sisters, so, and our brothers, so. Even though we see snap picture, we see they show our friends, yeah, you know this woman, she they single, now my sister, you know, we from the same place. All those things, finish. Nothing more. As soon as they come for the Nigeria, now they give us money for you, say, wait, Madonna, what me, you know, they. Now we go see if take care of una, do everything. See come una show, call people, call friends. See moto if one here do belly go. I will that guy ya. Una to just carry empty bag, compact money go house. At the end, that is so when you the way boy go address. You the way boy no me ane. Majority of them. What do you mean by majority of them? Yeah, what will be your business with what they wear? Eh? What is your business with these people? Leave us alone. We are not running race. Okay, if you claim say we're not good, you stay Africa. Where to stay? Winter, and I know say fine, you know they come. Before summer go they reach now. Uve dene. So what do be 10 years. The time where we say our dad late. This Esther now where they sort Europe people. Where our dad late. I know how many months she stay for Europe. I know how many months she stay for Europe. The same people where she said they're not sabi dress. Enyo ya limousine ya mo yo muere. Limousine ya mo yo muere. Ana we flower. Ana mo flower ne we ya. People where they feel they do all those things for you now. Am I fear pa we was on la dian way most of them. I apply again for now. A speaker no speaker me do your but una go the yes more. Play.
You dey abroad. You know the best. You know they look fine. You know they buy clothes. You know they work money.
Abroad, you know they buy clothes.
You want to acquire the whole world. I'm asking you. You want build million house. How many years you want to see?
Okay.
Oh, you dey build that for?
Okay.
You never look sexy. You know you look good. Most of them they live in this abroad.
May una see advice where she dey advise Europe people now say how many house they want build. As she do you see dey okay, she not supposed to the enter flight they come Europe again. If not be greediness. She's supposed to leave her for the young ones. Because upcoming ones are still there. Stalio now, my personal person, my if you not even kunya. Because he never really come my city where I did can't do show. A lot more. What did they call the other guy that day? A lot of them. You step down. Where is that? Where they play cassettes, they come out. At least to borrow one who parents, you not get anything to use money do now. Your children not there Nigeria. Where even we still go, can't you also rest? No, why are you here? Maybe say we come to see you for hotel. Why are you still working? If they tell you Europe women say they're not a big dress because they do this. They advise them. Wait till you know advice where you know they take. You they advise them. You will go run find money, go here, run find money. Today see you for studio. Tomorrow they practice. Next tomorrow they show. The other day you they dance. O me say where ya where you can be the where you have a where ya have any go no where you any go una. Advise yourself and leave Europe women alone. Europe women and Europe government. Now Europe people matter. You already don't hold Europe government. You let your matter of your country hold you. Why you guys no they do like that? That's the talk now. Say that they insult you.
People for abroad, you dey abroad. You know the best. You know they look fine. You know they buy clothes. You know they work money. Now you dey work the money. Now you dey spend everybody. You want to acquire the whole world. I'm asking you. You want build million house. How many years you want to see?
Okay.
Oh, you dey build that for?
Okay.
You never just look sexy. You know you look good. Most of them they live in this abroad here. When they dress up, they look somehow and they have money.
You hear that?
You have money, my sister.
Una dey hear? She said most of them, when they dress up, they look somehow. Meaning, when she dey come now, people go wear their Christmas clothes. Not say when she dey come here, you pay with me here, you go show you wear. For their mind now, they want go greet their sister. I wish they know say na Barack Obama they want go greet. Maybe they for just kukuma wear diamond or be short. Maybe they wear they'll just wear all the clothes where they get once come meet you. But the mindset where those people say they come meet you say or tell me no, now they tell they come. If you would tell us say where yeah, I style what you want tell me no penny we be say we people are coming to now be say that is what I was saying now. If these people if they're rich, they don't give you water drink. Oh. Get why? Salobo, if Salobo give them one kind of richness of say they will come be like a nanny. Or get one Ishama, that's why they call a nanny, that man a ogbu. Or they can't become one big people like this. Or Ibnejon or Pabo Bizwa. Edena. Wa libayang bedana de bo kan flower. Here when they get ma to amenyen ya we gumakwe. E mani son no ma ve gbe na. Mi no te finya evi we mi no te finya evi ho. But I don't feel go why we go ni get otuturo wa vio. No ma go afford you we ekbisa why you Ghana must go like obuwa me na me Ghana must go. Na ya bali go the stage. Upon the mansion where she built, she never stay satisfied. Now son she come they put for Europe. Not so hard. Europe 10. That was why you get a big one. No, leave her. Make she all they play. Make she they play. Make she all they play. Advising people of what you are not doing. Your own 2 children, they UK. You don't send the other one, they can't show now. Why you know your thoughts say you don't satisfy? Where they book, where we book, where the how you will put it? The show where they carry you for Benin, they say your picking they go. They say your picking they go. They don't want to go, they represent you. Why you go there swimming pool? They enjoy yourself. Then you go where they're going here. Where swim? Why are you right now? Where you stress? Say Europe made they walk. If to say now you did this Europe, you for the short. You for not even on Sunday you for the go work. To say now you did this Europe. Or Sunday you go they go work. The way you like money rich. They advise Europe women. They advise in where advise they know the dress. You don't talk to she born don't hear now. And she swear say she not talking. He say now Jojo where she take bath make her let's see England or Igbo way and give be back soup chop. They're not there again now. No, I thought that without Igbo not there again now for a very long time. They're not there now. During that bad saga, maybe they don't still come back. Maybe they don't come back. May follow. Tell me. Since when their matter they tire me, their matter don't tire me. May follow. And now they follow again. I cannot send. May must send anybody. Now they get me so. This woman now don't break a lot of Europe women hearts. And I know say Europe people, they be like Weibo. If they say yes, it's yes. If they say no, it's no. If they don't turn back on you, if you like go kneel down the Obini, they not go see you. They not go send you. Because you don't betray that their trust. That's one thing you don't know about Europe people. You don't betray their trust. You are doing too much, insulting them every time, claiming, nah. You call them pretend. And now you do. You call them pretend. The man saved or when you are there, Kenana Chaladia. When he, Omodio no ye wala go there. You dey pack well. May you dey look face. Man, you dey pack well. Am I make buwe? Just dey pack well. If not, things dey where they go tell you, you go there who are so. And your responsibility. Then na gbomana ma where Esther not supposed to dey zozo like this. Esther not supposed to dey stress herself like this. Wrong, go here, wrong, go here. We are Vesta Queen go by the way. Waje, we backup singer. Sorry. Say, papa, and mama now. This person, the one where you take on. A bombi we mure dorisi. A saga na mema when I was saga. Mema when I was saga, we are in peace. A peace medo. I just won't let her know. Say she talk the thing and she can't dey swear. But all my make sense. As at my own age, I don't fit deny what I talk or what I do. Who am I deny for? Even if I well I go eat it, I might una woman where here we. Oh well. I will go my it instead of me to say matter me dinner not ever see me say for this media he do deny me work me e ma bere no so by way no dey talk where yakin how I want to give this small message to Frank Omozuo. Frank edegbe mu mate star die Facebook wọ́n ru ya so mate copyright nu gbe o wa gbon oviye ko tin ni kazen kera wọ́n ru ya so e mate copyright e ru ya so ana mi ere sagari de una si unle la wa because a sagani was so powerful a sagani na gbu la wa wọ́n we eru oboru owe papa guy. You know, say no day your hand and your leg. Nous weje nania or vie or ku nous weje a platform abomination nous mukiani la refrain comme Omozuo a matesta don't bring her back to media because they make copyright in wo ya esi won estari ugbe le yo bege wa le degbe sun we nya you know what you they do because now you take they get view. Now you take they boost your page. Now you take you think say our fans go fit become your fans. Uze ye bo tiyan o magba. Uje rambidi ti ye fans o magba. You know say this thing why they tell you so not true to. A saga next study CV. Where some time ago no ma ipe na a last saga no receive. A Frank Omozuo na was here. Oye ki atun pick up. Where or see nah why I see and when copyright or we that time in when copyright or move this time around now in winning you know insult Benin women or you know insult Europe women which you know fully well say insult Europe women if now you go come the talk say she know insult Europe women who go believe you self now that person ogun go kill her if Omozuo come to say Esther no insult Europe women and you can't go believe Omozuo I will swear ogun for you Omozuo wey be say they insult Europe women now Europe women insult for years Ona Yiviere ya bowa use the build house he use the put money for Mama Ego brother account wey they call Big Star now wey come carry money carry a woman then he go mother wey they sleep with adulterous go son the godmother carry the house where they inside. As Frank dey now only pompon where they express 9B. As Omozuo dey now, Omozuo is only pompon where they express. Oh boy masoto. Ijo over hanging so because he's left with nothing. Yana mi oho, yana mi owa, yana mi niya, yana mi ego. Anami account, anami eboto. You don't get anything. So if that kind of person, since Omozuo did this live video, no, now so good. Europe women, ashi wolo, he won't call lie. Omozuo say, now because of Mama Ego, now he constant to the saga Europe women because of say they commit, waiting, and he say they commit. Say because he can't say Europe women. Now that is a pure lie. Not be because of Mama Ego, Frank Omozuo start to fight adulterous case for my people. Don't be deceived. Not be because of Mama Ego. Omozuo don't even they fight adulterous case. We not see, we not get proof. Before you know Mama Ego, now he give himself a him you her. Now they get me. Now he give himself. When people call the house and say, these people not be you married them. What is your business with them? Frank not respect him mama one day. If Frank ya sang be here like him. Oh ya sang be jet here then now they get me so. Frank is whether a junkie here they will mature. A Frank is a omanerere magba. You understand? Omanerere magba. Omano maemi no ri wagbon. Omano meme. Bene Frankie wagba se Frankie yoyo wa uki e loge Frank. Uki to e loge Frank. Wa bege life enia we omajo da omajieke. Ubudia ze no ya mi vie do ego owe degberi e la jane recently. It's already yes now. Ubudia zeni ni ya uku sengie. No fiyo fireni. If you wash am recently now, it don't bring and come out again. Waiting if they try to do now. That thing, what they use and call money, what they use and collect people money. Be careful of the platform you visit. Just be very careful. When it comes to Frank, Frank is very, very diabolic. Yes. I'm not saying this because I want to say it. Frank is very, very diabolic. Any presenter ne Frank Imamuyo da bo live video na kokpa. Aside say the one where be say people they do for her. Now all those women wanna hear say they go they do juju for Frank they do this. Now waiting they come meet her they do. Now in they join her they do. And now they come they do for her. Yes. I wish they meet her say na church if they go. Or it get pastor. Now church things if they do. Those women for also the highest they'll go they sow seed for church. We for no so okay now church they sow seed go. No. Frank is a diabolic somebody. I know what I'm saying. A boy I'm with who. I don't feel the talker. Maybe not what they taught to Nana because the reason why I want just to flog gas sumo now is because of this Esther matter. Now we still go bring come again because undano. Now so if papa doing for his zagagbo. That was the reason why papa buy. No community person enter burial my people. No one single community. And a Frank no know as the third do papa burial. I have that audio on my phone. Frank or Moswo no know as the third do papa burial. The day of Frank or Moswo papa burial, if Frank you off a phone, he day with Mama Kevin for house. Drink no day, food no day. I don't talk a story. Person where bring mopo soldier everything come the party so that make community people not carry he papa expecting ya safe where you go born out through way to arches for outside the village as they do also. You understand? The rice and food where that one carry follow soldier come. Now they come say they carry for inside. You know if rich. And I because of children where they say canopy where never chop. Drink, you know they. Pure water, you know they. They call Frank. Frank is not there for you. You know as they tell do it papa burial. But he come online to say, if you know Frank, if you know Frank, you go say, person like this they life. All the women wanna see say for victim lies. He feed all of them with lies. All those women are very shameless women. Now they get me. He feed all those women with lies. Waiting not be go say na him be. One Obama saw it. Nero one of the police. Now so go they rake. If he they rake today, you go say one better person they talk. Me I know say na shit be. Shit even get level person. No level for her. Now person will be say they jealous. If they feel threatened with normal people life. If you come out today say you buy phone, you go buy that kind of phone. If you do marriage, you want to do marriage. Anything you do, you want to do. As soon as they see and there, so it's very bitter. to the extent a full family reject her. A full family, from senior brother to last born, all of them reject her. As he catch adulterous reach for this Facebook, in your sister, only sister where he get, the same mama, the same papa, 2 man, now they don't catch her with wage they knack. 2 times, now that one don't do it, now she does zor for man. I don't know what they call her for English. 2 times, now she does zor for man. In your blood sister, this one a boy, where they craze for media, they form adulterous must stop. God can't do the thing. Now his sister be the adulterous woman. He say na this woman for Germany, Asha where they Germany, where they husband so go to sleep with Frank. Mama go say na because of that one. Nine can they do adulterous must stop? No. If even because of anybody can know say adulterous they exist, na his sister, the same papa, the same mama. He not feed the papa one day. Now another woman they feed all those videos there. I'll come they play and small. Maybe if we digress, when I digress, I release a bomb video. You get. Now that woman where the up time. Now I feed the papa till papa buy. As that one they feed the papa, now so that one they give a star. How many times when I don't see enough for bar they share anything? Before you go buy, you go to share anything. The birthday where you do 2 years ago, you go to share the sea for bar. Answer says since that 2 years they come, you know do birthday, Abi, you know how to age again. Abi, you don't tired to do birthday, or you don't remember the age where the day where they born. All those things were sponsored by woman money. As soon as see a dear so she throw away person. Era bonke any day. As he did dear so. For this boy to go find work, they work. Then they see black job, even if you not get document, they social media, they zoo. For this media, where would they so Facebook, they use everybody till they play. This one where Facebook, they do Sivenisio. Push me, I push you. Now you are more zoo. Can't depend, and now you want to do YouTube. Now you want to do this one. Now you want to do this one. YouTube where be say the figures go DSC wire you. How many accounts you don't build? How many pages you don't build? Mamia bebo ya bebo. Ebuan doa muesta Esther we can yak by be. Don't use your shame and disgrace to rob Esther, eh? The damn when you say shame and disgrace, you were mozu. Now you are the thought or so. Oh man, no go we go when one take book bear. Abia man we are wish we. Omo we wish ya we sonia. Abia wa boom we wa. We ya zone un dan babe. We are like social media now. A story down on little lama. Am I boy we look this social media. Now that you be man where they here. Walk out be no more media na. No gbe no wo awagun. No gbe vivie kwayada. We no ki party there for as usual. Walk out be no media. Are you the only married man? Look around you. How many married men dey social media? Erian zuoven wezuona. Erian wijia. Erian toge ye gbinya gbea. Erian lele family ya gbina. Of your vie no ruwe gbena. Can't you go and get a better pastor to deliver you? So that you will know Christ before you buy? Edwa o wa fiawo. E boy, nothing. Who wa waste video? Don't you want to give your life to Christ before you buy? A diabetes umuti to there ye gbe diabetes. A diabetes a ye gbe you e kia omafo. Omafo ge high sugar. Nu mu ye kia no ya we yo bi egbe yo wa. At your age you ki ye logo. Omozuo. So, you know say if they suffer they talk to you, you know they like take. You know they like take. La wane kwe amuwe. One man standing. For your full family. One man standing. Amave do amwe bogbe ke vivije. Do amwe bogbe vie yanike. E fon pa ma egwa. Wa dan yo dare. Abovie bobo shodi. Amave kokbe na keleve mogun gbe ni se. Iwo asan yo sare. Frank, get inside. Go look for black job. Not be only you did this Italy. Go look for black job. They break your mates. They don't go work. Some 3 o'clock they don't go work. 3 o'clock for night for morning. When people see their bed they sleep around 3. They don't they go work. Hustle. Made the hustle for street for fabrica for everywhere. Then you afford who for the vehicle yeke. You define woman where family don't reject and husband reject, single mother reject. Woman where be say it's short. Bobozi woman, you define. Where you want go to lick the akbekus. Because if you lick and finish at all, if na 50 euro, they'll say give you me take a cook. Ero a live a life you work here disgrace very work here. Unwage do why social media. From king to ordinary grand. See your life. Which, for this social media history, which presenter don't pass through this your shame and disgrace. Shame and disgrace where they want at larger baby drama. Be no say they go out and come out for drama. See the way your family disgrace you. Your girlfriend disgrace you. Oh, we larger that go on. Another Frank. Carry your 2 legs plus your 2 hands. Use and cover your mouth. Oh, umane boy. You hear me so? Umane boy. Are stupid. While sister like that guy stand out there, now she know. I don't see advice on her the way I fit advice on. If she like, make she come to say Frank. Because I know so once they start to saga, you go wrong. When I take banana boy, now woman match you so collect house for your hands. Woman. As where you claim, say you use your sweat, you use your nenenite builder. Since you enter Europe, you do this one, you suffer. Ordinary belly, nokpa. Really, that house where you go gym, they'll arrest you for Germany. Why we deport you? All the suffer now. Use and builders, only one woman. They're not even rich too. Say no, they let me look that. Very useless boy. Eh? Only one single woman where you don't first still knock. 9 match you, the some hand ask for your hand. He said, maybe they cry, they go. Say no level for you. Eh? You not call this in and say, are you dreaming or what? Now you they talk to person you call the same person they talk for them. You will be say the house where they build, where you build by your own. Woman beat you, collect the ass. Mama bebo yak bebo. You never fight for yourself. You dey wait for presenters who go support you. May presenter can say, Mama ego, you must give her your ass. Mama ego, you must give her lie. Nobody do. You see on your media, nobody did that. In as much as that one adulterous woman, you now useless boy. You see, say nobody talk, say me she give you that house. Yes, she not they owe you any house. You not follow her do house business. Wow, here ke wo here agbon we. Uhi owe. Ayo we bolo na if you here. You know the shame for yourself. Who be your mate for this media, by the way? Omozo, where your mate dey? Show me. Show me. Obo ati aunu. Abe akurita they told that thing. Obo ati aunu. You go online your match go do good talk. You see one better person they talk. Already a charm already you know no ya mu ihu. Woni ro wodo. No many married women they say you don't knock. The one where they Torino call we never cast to call. You know as I tell beg do blog me when I tell her say she sees fire. Then ya boa. You know as I tell beggar go ask. Maybe she they thought she will tell you. She called me I tell her say ceasefire. Eh agbewa I think it all. Bari bere with bay. See your life. You notice where that one get where me don't listen to. Ask Mama Kevin do a shower. You know say it audio. Crazy. See one video now where you do when I wash. You want to talk? He said women where they Europe. He said they're supposed to they said they married. They said because they be remnant. He said they be remnant. May I see whether I will see that video. And you marry. If to say na me be Mama Kevin, that day you go come out from my house. Yes. You go come out from my house. For you to open your mouth Wey be say na adulterous by your man. Come they talk say Europe women. May I plan for my people? Let me just entertain you guys. Make I entertain you now. Yeah. Where this my love? Make I go a page there. Who was well? No, get inside. This one before where they talk, the same person they talk for them. When no we mock you or we offend like you. Come on, get inside. Make I hear. I'm blessed on here. Now be this one I listen to what they talk. This one a man. Wait, Mario. Okay. One I listen.
Remnants now will marry, but we decide to keep calm.
Eh? One I listen to this idiot.
That was the truth. Many for the men women who are brother, remnants will marry. Remnants now will marry, but we decide to keep calm. Now we will see the Ghana.
Not here. And he there with woman for his asshole. He married for this abroad. Though. He said, make we tell ourselves the truth. All the women where they marry for abroad, he said there be remnants. If I be Mama Kevin, now that day, our marriage not go less scatter. Now that day you go come out for my house. You know if you remove her, say, minus my wife for. You say you won't tell yourself the truth. Guys, wanna listen. That Esther, we don't talk Esther. This one more listen to us small. Why on I never sense? One hour.
But I was saying the truth. Many for the men women who are brother, remnants will marry. Remnants now will marry, but we decide to keep calm. Now we will see the Ghana. Get my carrying that one keep the man.
Now they he say many of the men who marry for Europe. He say na remnants they marry. Plus E. Many say in your wife, that your wife na remnant me go they call that one. Many waiting person don't eat remain, taste zolotis throw away, which na be his wife. Because na wife don't burn everywhere before it reach in own hand. And waiting make that woman fisty, that woman as a remnant, waiting make that woman of a remnant, if he marry this Omozo, is because Omozo also na still remnant. If you look majority of men, my people, where they complain about Europe women, they are not working. Yes. Let's tell ourselves the truth. If you look majority of men, where they complain about Europe women, these men are not working. They're not they work. Since we Omozo, they enter this Europe, ask and say which work he don't work. The only time he take work now, Vino where he caught Vino. He caught Vino, he not even reach. He not reach 3 months. Or not the Egbe Germany, where they take the arrest and they deport. Since that time, where he take person they go almost 15 years for Europe. He never gets 3 months working contracts. He the friend woman, he never get 3 months working contract. He never get 1 year working contract. He not get life contracts. Automatically, he not get any way where go fit support a woman. Because he know they work. He know they work. But this kind of person, now he marks the long passe women for Europe. Many of them, some of these men, the reason why they vex for women for Europe is say, them believe say, as a woman, you go they work, they pack all the money they give them, then go they use and do what they like. Woman where they America where sponsor Frank for years, they give her money, they give her this, they give her that. The more that one they give her money, the more Omozo they become useless to himself, to his family, to his environment. As rent, they feel pay now. And pursue that they pursue for us. But I wish in they work, if or not they experience those things. Now, woman, they ready go my house, or even if man want come your house, maybe you understand. Man, if he decides, okay, babe, I want to come. Nobody say, ma go just, he don't even marry you. Frank pack now. He pack, go stay with woman. Now they get me so. Not be only he did this too. This KO family husband, Elab, is he Elab that they call him be Elab? That man, I see one interview where he do with one guy for this